Major Hurricane Iota has made a catastrophic landfall as a Category 4 hurricane in Nicaragua. It's at 13.4 degrees north, 83.3 degrees west as of 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this November the 17th. The storm currently has winds of 150 miles per hour and a pressure of 922 millibars as it moves west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. This is a stage 10 on the CDPS scale, meaning that it is at the worst that it gets. It doesn't get worse than this. This is the most catastrophic kind of storm you can get, hitting this area just after it hit the same areas that Hurricane Eta struck just 2 weeks ago. Again, stage 10 on the CDPS scale. Here's how it breaks down. Wind speed is major to extreme. Storm size is significant. The overall threat to land is pegged at extreme, and the rainfall potential is nearly pegged at the maximum. Again, that means extreme impacts are likely for areas that are impacted by this storm, and they are getting impacted right now as the storm does slowly weaken. Here's the storm's wind field, and you can see there 150 miles is nautical miles, is how far out this goes on the northeastern quadrant, but you can see there the general wind field is a far-reaching storm with far-reaching impacts, and again it is bringing extreme impacts to numerous land areas right now in Nicaragua. Here are the current watches and warnings. You can see them here accordingly, and you can see those hurricane-force winds that are ashore as well. This is a relatively good graphic that should give you a really good idea of the areas that are currently within the worst of the watches and warnings. Here's our cone of uncertainty that was released just an hour ago. We're anticipating rapid weakening from this storm. We're expecting it to dissipate within the next 2 days. Good riddance to it. You can see here on our key messages we have this really having the catastrophic Category 4 landfall. Stage 10 on the CDPS scale has rainfall over 900 millimeters being likely. That's additional rainfall at this point. Strong winds over 240 kilometers per hour are occurring with the storm right now, and storm surge will cause catastrophic damage from the storm as well. Here's rainfall graphic expectations from the storm, and you can see here accordingly over 660 millimeters of rain being forecasted just here, and again locally higher areas of over 900 millimeters of rain. Certainly possible with this storm. Here are the sea surface temperatures, and as you can see, they don't really matter anymore at this point, but as the storm does have a small chance of redeveloping in the eastern Pacific, I think it is important to note that there are 27 to 26 degrees Celsius SSTs over there, which are warm enough to support some redevelopment. Here are the chances of tropical storm force winds about half of Nicaragua in the 90 to 100% chance area, and you can see there much of Honduras in the 90 to 100% chances as well. Absolutely catastrophic situation unfolding here, and you can see those chances of hurricane force winds as well. Small chance on the country of El Salvador, all because this could redevelop in the eastern Pacific. Well, here's the model diagnostic plot. You can see rapid weakening is forecast. It's not because of shear, it's not because of SSTs, it's because it's going over some of the most mountainous geography in the Atlantic Basin. It should kill the storm pretty quickly. Again, though, there's a slight possibility some of this does redevelop in the eastern Pacific. Here's satellite analysis, and as you can see here, the storm's eye is closing up and convection is waning as the main source of energy for this storm has gone away. Odds are it will continue to rapidly weaken as it does move inland. It'll definitely rapidly weaken as it continues to move inland and dump catastrophic amounts of rainfall over Honduras, Nicaragua, and other parts of Central America. Thank you so much for watching. More updates on this to come.